Think about a chemical production plant. About complex production activities generating tons of data. Huge amount of data that is not standardized, not connected, and the value is not exploited. Now, think smart. Think of a new way of manufacturing, a smart way enabled by connected digital technologies. Think of a workforce supported by mobile technologies and empowered by access to data anywhere and anytime. We started to explore the potential of smart manufacturing by enabling predictive maintenance, which helps us detect and predict anomalies in our production assets, achieving higher reliability and reducing unplanned shutdowns. We are developing apps on mobile devices for plant operations, maintenance and turnaround, enabling us to access key information and have better guidance throughout our work by augmented reality. We are connecting business planning and manufacturing operations for faster and better decision-making. Smart manufacturing will increase the effectiveness of BASF's assets as well as the efficiency of our manufacturing and engineering processes. In the future, our plants will be safer, more efficient, more flexible, and even more connected than ever.